Have you ever felt that life suddenly became heavier for no clear reason? The opportunities that once came naturally seem to disappear. Your confidence fades. Small problems become large obstacles, and even your happiest moments feel strangely empty. Many people call this bad luck. But perhaps what has truly disappeared is not luck itself. It is your inner harmony. Ancient wisdom teaches that positive energy is like a clear river. When the river flows freely, life feels lighter, decisions become clearer, and opportunities seem to appear naturally. But when the river becomes blocked by fear, anger, regret, or endless worry, we begin to believe that luck has abandoned us. In reality, it is our own mind that has become clouded. For centuries, people across different cultures practiced simple rituals, not because the rituals themselves contained magical power, but because they helped the heart become calm and focused. One such ancient practice begins with silence. Find a peaceful place where you will not be disturbed. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and breathe slowly. As you inhale, imagine fresh light entering your body. As you exhale, imagine every fear, disappointment, and negative thought leaving with your breath. Continue for several minutes until your mind becomes quiet. Next comes the ritual of gratitude. Hold a small bowl of clean water or simply place your hands over your heart. Think of 3 blessings that still exist in your life. They do not need to be extraordinary. Perhaps you are grateful for your health, your family, the warmth of the morning sun, or even another chance to begin again. Gratitude changes the direction of the mind. Instead of searching for what is missing, it begins to recognize what is already present. After gratitude, speak gentle words to yourself. Say quietly, I release fear. I welcome peace. I choose kindness. I am ready for new opportunities. These simple words are not spells. They are reminders that your thoughts shape the way you experience the world. When your inner voice becomes compassionate instead of critical, your actions begin to change, and those actions often create better outcomes. Another part of this ancient practice is letting go. Imagine carrying a heavy backpack filled with old disappointments. Every painful memory, every mistake, every resentment adds another stone. No matter how strong you are, carrying unnecessary weight eventually slows every step. Close your eyes and imagine placing that backpack on the ground. Forgive yourself for what cannot be changed. Forgive others not because they deserve it, but because your heart deserves peace. Nature also plays an important role in restoring positive energy. Walk outside if possible. Feel the ground beneath your feet. Listen to the wind, the birds, or the gentle movement of leaves. Nature reminds us that everything moves in cycles. Storms pass. Winter becomes spring. Darkness gives way to sunrise. Your difficult season is not your permanent home. One forgotten lesson from ancient traditions is the power of generosity. When people believe they have lost their luck, they often become fearful and hold tightly to everything they have. Yet generosity creates movement. Offer a sincere smile. Help someone without expecting praise. Share your knowledge. Or simply listen to someone who needs comfort. Positive energy grows stronger when it is shared. It is also important to protect your mind from constant negativity. Every conversation, every piece of news, every complaint leaves a small mark on your thoughts. Choose carefully what you allow into your heart. Replace endless worry with meaningful learning. Replace jealousy with inspiration. Replace anger with patience. These small choices slowly rebuild the peaceful foundation that many mistake for luck. Before sleeping each night, spend 1 quiet minute reflecting on your day. Ask yourself, what lesson did today teach me? What kindness did I give? What hope will I carry into tomorrow? These simple questions gently train the mind to notice growth instead of failure. Remember, no ancient ritual can guarantee instant wealth, perfect success, or a life without challenges. Life will always contain uncertainty. But these timeless practices can help restore calmness, gratitude, wisdom, and hope. And when those qualities return, many people discover that opportunities begin appearing where they once saw only obstacles. Perhaps luck never truly disappeared. Perhaps it was patiently waiting beneath layers of fear and doubt, waiting for you to become still enough to find it again. The greatest transformation does not begin with changing the outside world. It begins with changing the quiet world within your own heart. So tonight, take 1 deep breath. Release what no longer serves you. Welcome peace into your thoughts. Walk forward with gratitude instead of fear. Whether you call it positive energy, inner balance, or simply a peaceful mind, this ancient path reminds us that the brightest fortune often begins with the smallest change inside ourselves. Luck begins with inner energy. What people call bad luck is often the result of stress, fear, negative thinking, and emotional imbalance rather than fate itself. Many people believe that luck suddenly disappears, leaving them trapped in a cycle of disappointment and frustration. They blame fate when opportunities vanish, relationships become difficult, or plans fail despite their best efforts. Yet ancient wisdom suggests a different perspective. What we often call bad luck may actually be the result of an unsettled mind and a heart weighed down by fear, doubt, anger, or constant worry. When these emotions grow stronger, they cloud our judgment, drain our confidence, and prevent us from recognizing the opportunities that still exist around us. A peaceful mind sees possibilities where an anxious mind sees only obstacles. Every thought you repeat becomes part of your daily experience. If you constantly expect failure, you may hesitate to act, causing valuable chances to slip away. But when you replace fear with calm awareness and gratitude, your actions become wiser and more confident. This shift does not magically change the world overnight, but it changes the way you respond to life, and those responses often create better outcomes. Positive energy begins within. It grows through patience, kindness, mindful breathing, and a grateful heart. As your inner balance returns, your decisions become clearer, your relationships improve, and new doors begin to open. What seemed like lost luck may simply have been hidden beneath layers of negativity, waiting for your inner light to shine again. The ancient ritual of silence and gratitude. Practicing deep breathing, quiet reflection, and daily gratitude helps clear the mind and restore a positive, peaceful state. One of the oldest practices believed to restore positive energy begins not with complicated ceremonies, but with a few moments of complete stillness. In today's fast-moving world, the mind is constantly filled with noise, worries, and endless distractions. Over time, this mental clutter can make life feel heavy and uncertain. Ancient traditions encourage stepping away from this noise each day, even if only for a few minutes. Sit in a quiet place where you can relax without interruption. Close your eyes, breathe in slowly through your nose, and exhale gently. As you breathe, imagine that every inhale brings calmness, clarity, and fresh energy into your heart, while every exhale carries away stress, fear, and disappointment. This simple practice helps the mind settle and allows inner peace to return. After a few moments of quiet breathing, turn your attention to gratitude. Think of 3 things that bring value to your life, no matter how small they may seem. They could be your family, your health, a trusted friend, a safe home, or even the opportunity to begin a new day. Gratitude gently shifts your focus from what is missing to what is already present. This change in perspective fills the heart with hope instead of lack. Some people also keep a small journal where they write one positive experience from each day. Others quietly repeat affirmations such as, "I welcome peace," "I release fear," or "I am open to new opportunities." These words are not magical spells. They are reminders that your thoughts influence your attitude, and your attitude shapes your actions. As this daily ritual becomes a habit, the mind grows calmer, confidence returns, and life begins to feel brighter, more meaningful, and full of renewed possibilities. Release the weight of the past. Letting go of regrets, resentment, and self-blame creates space for emotional healing and new opportunities. Many people carry invisible burdens for years without realizing how deeply they affect their lives. Regret over past mistakes, anger toward those who caused pain, guilt for missed opportunities, and constant self-criticism slowly become emotional weight. Although these burdens cannot be seen, they influence the way we think, speak, and act every day. Ancient wisdom teaches that restoring positive energy begins with learning to let go of what no longer serves the heart. Holding on to painful memories does not change the past. It only steals peace from the present. Imagine carrying a heavy bag filled with stones everywhere you go. Each stone represents a disappointment, a failure, or an unresolved hurt. At first, the weight may seem manageable, but as more stones are added, every step becomes more difficult. life feels exhausting, not because the road is impossible, but because the unnecessary weight makes every journey harder. In the same way, emotional burdens can prevent us from recognizing new opportunities and enjoying the blessings already around us. Letting go does not mean pretending that painful experiences never happened. It means accepting the lessons they brought while refusing to let them control your future. Forgiving yourself for honest mistakes is just as important as forgiving others. Self-forgiveness opens the door to personal growth, while forgiveness toward others frees your heart from bitterness. Every time you release resentment, you create space for compassion, hope, and inner peace. As the heart becomes lighter, confidence slowly returns, decisions become clearer, and life begins to feel more balanced. The greatest freedom often comes not from changing the past, but from choosing not to carry its weight into tomorrow. Reconnect with nature and practice kindness. Spending time in nature and performing selfless acts of kindness naturally raises positive energy and strengthens inner peace. Nature has always been regarded as a quiet teacher, offering peace to those who are willing to slow down and listen. Long before modern life became filled with constant noise and distractions, people found comfort in the simple rhythm of the natural world. The gentle movement of trees, the sound of flowing water, the warmth of the morning sunlight, and the fresh air after rain all reminded them that life is always changing. Difficult seasons never last forever. Just as winter eventually gives way to spring, every period of struggle carries the possibility of renewal. Spending even a few peaceful moments outdoors can calm a restless mind, reduce emotional tension, and help you reconnect with the present instead of worrying endlessly about the future. Along with reconnecting with nature, ancient wisdom also encourages practicing kindness without expecting anything in return. A genuine smile, a thoughtful conversation, helping someone in need, or offering words of encouragement may seem like small actions, but they create powerful ripples of positivity. Acts of generosity not only brighten another person's day, but also transform your own heart. When you focus on giving instead of constantly thinking about what you lack, feelings of gratitude and abundance naturally begin to grow. Kindness also changes the way you see the world. Instead of viewing others as competitors or obstacles, you begin to recognize shared humanity and mutual support. This shift reduces jealousy, anger, and resentment while increasing compassion and inner peace. Over time, these simple habits strengthen emotional resilience and create a more hopeful outlook on life. Many people believe that good fortune follows those who consistently spread kindness because positive actions inspire positive relationships, meaningful opportunity. Build daily habits that attract positive energy. End each day with reflection. Protect your mind from negativity and cultivate patience, hope, and gratitude to create lasting positive change. Restoring positive energy is not something that happens through one powerful moment. It is built through small, consistent habits that gradually shape the way you think, feel, and respond to life. Every morning offers a fresh opportunity to choose your attitude. Instead of beginning the day with worry or negative thoughts, take a few quiet moments to breathe deeply and set a positive intention. Tell yourself that you will face challenges with patience, treat others with kindness, and remain open to new opportunities. These simple intentions create a calm and focused mindset that influences every decision you make throughout the day. Equally important is protecting your mind from unnecessary negativity. The conversations you engage in, the media you consume, and the thoughts you repeat all affect your emotional energy. Constant complaints, endless comparisons, and fear-driven thinking can slowly drain your confidence and peace. Make a conscious effort to replace these habits with uplifting books, meaningful conversations, moments of silence, and activities that inspire hope and personal growth. The more carefully you choose what enters your mind, the stronger your inner balance becomes. Before going to sleep each night, spend a few minutes reflecting on your day. Think about one lesson you learned, one act of kindness you gave or received, and one reason to feel grateful. This simple evening practice trains your mind to focus on progress rather than problems. Over weeks and months, these daily habits become part of your character. You become more patient during difficult moments, more grateful for everyday blessings, and more confident in facing uncertainty. Many people describe this transformation as luck returning, but in truth, it is the natural result of cultivating a peak.